喺正式簽署一份協議之前咧，咁好多時我哋協議雙方咧都會有一份 head of terms。咁呢份 head of terms 咧，通常會係協議嘅其中一方去提供俾另外一方。咁我哋之後就會就住裡面提供嘅大綱，就慢慢去做一個 negotiation 嘅。Hello， 大家好，我係 Brian， 我 specialize 喺 corporate and commercial law 嘅，我係92 Express 嘅 mentor。喺正式簽署一份協議之前咧，咁好多時我哋協議雙方咧都會有一份 head of terms。咁呢份 head of terms 咧，通常會係協議嘅其中一方去提供俾另外一方。咁我哋之後就會就住裡面提供嘅大綱，就慢慢去做一個 negotiation 嘅。咁呢份大綱嘅重要性咧，有3個重要嘅點啦。一就係大家可以透過寫咗出嚟咧，更加了解你寫咗你哋之間嘅 understanding 係啲乜嘢，咁甚至乎有啲 party 所以喺正式簽署協議之前已經處理咗某啲協議事項，尤其是一啲可能喺協議裡面嘅 conditions precedent 可以優先處理，去 speed up 成件事嘅。咁第二個較為重要嗰啲咧，就係雙方嘅律師亦都可以透過一個 head of terms 更加了解你哋事實上有啲乜嘢嘅agreement， 跟住去幫你去 fine tune 嗰份正式嘅 agreement。第3個咧就係可以記錄翻雙方嘅意願，咁就亦都可以 facilitate 翻將來佢哋嘅 negotiations 嘅。一個 head of terms 究竟有冇法律約束力咧，就好睇雙方嘅意願同埋喺個 agreement 度係點樣寫㗎。咁有啲 terms 就會更加寫得好清楚啦，就寫咗話these obligations do not constitute legally binding obligations on either parties。或者寫住subject to contract， 咁呢個會較為清楚啲嘅。但係如果冇寫咧，就會較為模糊啲啦。咁可能法庭就會按照事實上你裡面嘅 content 去估翻雙方嘅意願。咁for example， 如果我哋係特登揾咗啲律師去幫你 draft 呢啲咁嘅 head of terms 嘅話，我諗法庭就會更加有可能去判呢樣嘢係有 legally binding 嘅。咁另外都 point out 翻就係其實除咗我哋話 legally binding 同埋 non-legal binding 之外咧，有第3種可能就係 partially binding， 即係有一啲 clause 係 binding 嘅，有啲係 non-binding 嘅。咁好似頭先所講啦，呢啲 head of terms 係可能係 legally binding 嘅。咁就算佢唔係 legally binding 都好啦，其實都可能係好反映到雙方喺簽署協議時候大家諗緊啲乜。咁喺咁嘅情況下咧，大家去簽署之前一定要好謹慎，去確保翻成個 head of terms 咧係反映到雙方嘅意願嘅。咁 for example 喺一啲特別嘅clauses 度就會寫翻啲 qualifying statement 啦，話佢係 subject to further negotiation 啦。咁同時間有一啲咁較為重要啲嘅，例如一啲 exclusivity clause 一啲保密責任嘅 clause 咧，咁就寫得好清楚呢個係 legally binding 嘅。咁當然最重要或者最安全嘅做法就係揾翻個律師去望一望啲嘢先至正式去簽署。